Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, there was a time in the development of the law when women had a distinctive advantage in matters relating to children. I hate to say it, but I do think in the 50s and 60s there was somewhat of a judicial bias. Courts would tend to give the custody to the moms on the theory that the dad was out working and the mom had a closer rapport and better ability to deal with the emotional and psychological issues of raising the children because she'd done that the whole time. The truth of the matter is that now there's a push to preserve rights for everybody. And that means that there isn't really a gender bias that is supposed to come from the bench. The bench is supposed to be blinded to that. As a matter of fact, here in the office, I don't think it's on camera, but here in the office I have a statue that a client of mine gave me as a gift when their case was over. It's a statue of justice, and it's a popular image holding the scales, but the image is blindfolded. The statue's got a blindfold on. Why? Because the best part of the law is giving justice without regard to is a man in front of you or a woman in front of you. You've got to be blind to that. You've got to be just because it's the right thing to do, not because of a gender bias. So the law has really departed from any kind of gender bias or has made a strong effort to do that. And this is sort of how men's rights are preserved in custody issues, because the statute now says we don't look at a bias toward the man or a bias toward the woman. We look at what's in the best interest of the child. We do that by evaluating 12 unevenly weighted factors that the court takes into account when determining whether or not the child should go with mom or dad. And really, that's the way that it's evaluated. Not based on whether or not somebody's wearing a skirt and someone's wearing pants. That's not how to determine the future of a child. The court now does it based on the best interest factors, and what could be more reasonable than that? If you have any questions about it, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.